Media privacy is an optional setting that allows listing agents to determine what listing media will be sent in data feeds to external sites once the listing has closed, been released, or expires. Media privacy is available for photos and listing supplements, and in this video, I'll show you how to set up media privacy for your listing. When entering your listing photos, notice that each photo has an empty star in the top right corner. Clicking this star is how you will select the permanent photo. This is the photo that will remain publicly visible on external websites after closing. You can change the permanent photo by clicking on the star of another picture. However, only one permanent photo can be selected. If you do not want to use media privacy, do not select the photo. In this case, all the listing photos will be included in data feeds after the listing is closed. Note that Matrix will ask you to confirm that you want to enter the listing without choosing a public photo. You can change the public photo from the Manage Photos page at any time before the listing has been changed to closed, expired, or released. After the listing has been changed to one of these statuses, the media privacy settings cannot be changed. Media privacy for listing supplements works slightly differently since supplements are not included in the public-facing data feeds. When uploading your supplements, you will have to place them into one of three categories. Public supplements are visible for on and off market listings within Matrix, OneHome, Transaction Desk, and back office data feeds. Conditional supplements are visible within Matrix, OneHome, Transaction Desk, and back office data feeds until the listing is off market. Private supplements are only visible to CVR MLS users in Matrix. After selecting the supplement's privacy, be sure to click Upload and then Save to finalize the addition of your supplement. You can return to the Manage Supplements page to change the privacy setting of a file you've uploaded. If you have a question about this feature that was not answered in this video, contact MLS support by emailing mls@cvrmls.com. You can also reach us by calling 804-422-5004.